In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flip a page in Canva. If you're working on a design and need to mirror an element to face the other direction, or create a quick reflection effect, flipping is the fastest way to do it. I'll walk you through exactly where to click and what each option does so you can get the result you want without guesswork. First, open your design and look at the page where you want the change. Click the image you want to flip. You'll know it's selected when you see a bounding box with handles around it. If there are multiple items on the page, make sure you've clicked the specific image you want to mirror. This process works the same for photos, graphics, and most elements you add to your canvas. With the image selected, look for the editing toolbar that appears in the Canva interface when an element is active. There, you'll see options like Edit Image and Crop. Click on Flip. This opens the flip controls, which are simple and immediate. There's no need to open any extra panels or menus. Choose Flip Horizontal to mirror the image from left to right. This is perfect when you want your subject to face the opposite direction, balance a layout, or make the visual flow toward your text or focal point. As soon as you click it, you'll see the image instantly reverse on the page. Take a quick look at the rest of your layout and confirm it still feels balanced. If something looks off, you can always click Undo to go back. If you need a top-to-bottom mirror instead, click Flip Vertical. This turns the image upside down to create a vertical reflection. It's useful for symmetrical compositions, reflections beneath objects, or creative poster-style layouts. Again, the change is instant, and you can undo at any time if you want to compare the before and after. A few quick tips while you flip. If the image contains text or a recognizable logo, remember that flipping will mirror that content too, which can make it unreadable. In those cases, consider leaving text elements unflipped and only flipping the background image. After flipping, check edges and alignment. Elements inside frames or grids will flip cleanly, but you may want to nudge spacing to keep everything visually consistent. That's it. Click the image, open Flip, then choose horizontal or vertical to mirror it. With these controls, you can fine-tune direction, balance, and emphasis across your design in seconds.